to give a 1-minute address to the House.
Proceed.
Mr. Speaker, I am joined today by members of the Virginia delegation and members who were affected by the horrific attack by gunmen at Virginia Tech on April 16, 2007. Today we ask that all pause to remember the victims of this attack. Although 10 years have passed, those whose lives were tragically cut short or altered forever will not be forgotten. As we approach April 16, I ask that we keep the families and loved ones of the victims in our thoughts and our prayers. May God bless the Hokie community, their courage, their spirit, and their determination to honor the memory of those not here today. Accordingly, I would ask that all members join me at this time in a moment of silence. I yield back, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.